Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This video is brought to you by Fizaya Schools and Colleges. In this lesson, we will discuss past physics paper 2018. For examination, the revision of previous 5-year papers are very essential. You students must be read, write and learn with it. Let's start. A question number first. Part first, what is the frequency of second pendulum? Means the time period for second pendulum, which is equal to 2 seconds. Now frequency is the reciprocal of time period. Now putting the values 1/2, which is equal to 0.5 hertz. Option D is correct. Second, if a mass of bob of a simple pendulum is increased by a factor of 2, then the period of pendulum motion will increase a factor of 2, increase a factor of 4, remain same, increase a factor of 2 under root. Now we know that the time period for simple pendulum, which is equal to 2 pi into L divided by G under root. Now in this equation, the time period of simple pendulum depend upon the length of the pendulum and the gravity of that place. So if the mass is become double, so the time period will remain same. Option C is correct. Now part 3, the sound energy passing per unit area per unit second, means sound energy per unit area per unit time, which is known as intensity of sound. Option B is correct. 4 part, the intensity level of mosquito buzzing is how much? 40 decibel, 30, 20 or 10, which is a constant value, that is 40 decibel. Part 5, the unit of power of lens is, means power of lens, which is equal to 1/4 focal length in meter. Now the 1/4 meter is equal to diopter. Diopter is the unit of power of lens. Option D is correct. Part 6, a radius of curvature is 10 centimeter, then the focal length of convex lens. Now the convex lens, now the radius of curvature, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the focal length of the convex lens. As we know that the focal length, which is equal to r divided by 2. Putting the values 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Option C is correct. Part 7, if we double the distance between the two charges, then the Coulomb force will increase 4 times, decrease 4 times, increase 2 times, decrease 2 times. Now according to the formula of Coulomb force, which is equal, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. If the value of R become double, now putting the values, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by 2R whole square, which is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by 4R square. Now taking 1/4 common, the remaining, which is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square, which is again equal to F. So the force decrease 4 times. Option B is correct. Question number 8, 1 picofarad, which is equal to the prefixes, which is equal to 10 raised power minus 12 farad. Question number 9, The symbols of earth in electrical circuit, option B, these symbols are used for the determinations of electrical circuit. Part 10. The electrical power is given by P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R square, P is equal to V square divided by R square, or P is equal to VIT. The correct option, which is P is equal to VI, which are mentioned in your book, and the correct option, which is A. Now according to these equations, W is equal to V Q. Now dividing both sides by these equations by T, W divided by T is equal to W Q divided by T. Now this is the definitions of power, and Q divided by T is the definitions of current. So power is equal to VI. This is the proof of this equation. Now question number 12. Which is the correct order of radiations for penetrating ability? Means there are three radiations: alpha, beta, and gamma radiations. So the penetrating power of gamma radiations is greater than the beta radiations, and the beta radiations penetrating power is greater than the alpha radiations. So the first sequence that is correct means the penetrating power of gamma radiations is greater than the penetrating power of beta radiations, which is also greater than the penetrating power of alpha radiations. The correct option, which is A. Now let's start section B.